Hello, all right. Welcome again to my channel. My name is Samuel Edit. This is my YouTube channel. Please, if you are new to my channel, click the red subscribe button and turn up the bell notification so that whenever I'm going to upload any other video, you will be the first person to notify. The reason for this video tutorial is I want to show you guys the simplest method on how you can easily create a WhatsApp sticker. Like you can use your image or your name or any other things, your video, anyone that you choose to create a WhatsApp sticker. When I mean WhatsApp sticker, let's go to my WhatsApp so that I can show you what I'm trying to say. All right, like this. Then I'll need to go to sticker. Have you seen? This is what I mean by sticker. Like all this thing that if you send it to someone, it will be in this form, all those kind of stuff. You understand? All right. So what you need to do, I will need to show you the step-by-step process that you can get it done. So what you need to do, you need to go to your Play Store. I'll need to go to my Play Store to go and get the application. Here is the application. You need to type WhatsApp sticker. WhatsApp sticker. Then you wait for it to load. All right, this is the particular one that you are going to use. This is the one that we are going to use in this video tutorial. Here is the application. So the next thing that you need to do is you need to, for your design, you need to get an application called Pixel Lab. Pixel Lab, yeah, this is the application. On your device, your own will be showing install here. Why my own is showing open is because I already have the app. So what is the main purpose for this app? This app helps you to run a graphics designed using your phone. I have recorded a video on that and I will drop the link here in this video description. So what you need to do is, after getting the two applications, what you need to do is I will need to open the Pixel app application, and I'll wait for it to load. After it has loaded, yes, I have record a video and explain all the surface. So what you need to do is for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch my video concerning that. Here is the delete button. Like this new text here, I don't need it. So what I will need to do is I will need to click here and delete it. Have you seen? Then why here is the text button, I can still bring the text here, then double click. Have you see what I do? You can either click on this edit, you can click on this edit. Then what I will need to do is I need to type the name that I would like to, or any other word that I would like to use for the sticker. Like I am coming to your group. All right, like I am coming to your group. Sorry, made a mistake. I am coming to your group. You click on this done. After you click on it, all right, so what you need to do, you need to come to this, you need to come to aligned, this align. Then you click on this align. When you click on the aligned, have you see where the thing is at the left hand side? So if you click here, it will be at the right hand side, but as for me, I want it to be at the middle. Just click there. All right, we are good to go. I would like to use it like this. Then what next is you need to go and change the fonts. Choose the font that you are going to use. Here is the font that I'm going to use. All right, please guys, just follow me up carefully. All right, I'll go with this font. Yeah, I like this font. I'll go, yes, I would like to go with this font. Then the next thing that I'll need to do is I'll need to choose my own color, the color that will interest me. Is okay. I'll need to use this color here. No, this color is not good for me. I need to use blue. Right, So the next thing there is, for the benefit of this video tutorial, because I don't want this video to be too long, what I need to do is can either decide to put all these, but all these are not necessary. All these are not necessary. I will not use it. I'm not comfortable with it. I see that this one. All right, let me go with this one. Maybe I would like this. Okay. All right, so the next thing that we are going to use is, you need to come here, need to come and we need to make the writing to look exactly as 3D. You come here and you choose this and you bring it like this. I would like to, all right, I would like to go on this. All right, the next thing is, okay, so the next thing is you need to remove this background so that this text can just come out direct. So what you need to do is, you need to come here and come to this transparent and click on this transparent. Have you seen the background has been removed? Then you come here and save as image. Okay, all right, okay, after you have successfully saved the write-up or your design, we are now move to the WhatsApp sticker application. Here is the application. So what we need to do is, you need to come to this new and pick the our design. All right, have you see? There's our design. You need to click on this skip here. I'll need it as new. Create a new one. I'll need to create a new design. Click on save. Have you seen? Then you click on add to WhatsApp and you wait for it to load. Add. Have you seen? My sticker one has been added to WhatsApp. Here is my WhatsApp. Let's see if the sticker has been successfully added. Have you see? Here is the sticker. Have you see? Have you see? Here is the sticker. You can do this with your image or any picture of yours. So all right, so that's the simplest way on how you can generate or create your own WhatsApp sticker. Thank you guys.